When disaster strikes, having the right food stocked up can mean the difference between survival and struggle. Whether it's a natural disaster, economic downturn, or unexpected emergency, being prepared ensures you and your loved ones won't go hungry. But what should you store? Not all foods have a long shelf life, and some provide more nutrition than others. In this video, we'll break down the best survival foods every prepper should have in their stockpile, from long-lasting grains to protein-packed meats and essential spices that keep meals from becoming bland. If you're serious about preparedness, you won't want to miss this. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on survival and prepping tips. Let's get into it. Grains. Grains are the backbone of any solid survival food stockpile. They're packed with nutrients, easy to store, and incredibly versatile. Rice is a no-brainer, whether it's long grain, short grain, or basmati. It's filling, simple to cook, and pairs well with almost anything. Wheat berries are another must-have. You can grind them into fresh flour or cook them whole for a hearty meal. Don't forget about dried corn, popcorn, and cornmeal. They can be used for cornbread, tortillas, or just a quick snack. Oats are fantastic for breakfast or baking, and all-purpose flour is essential for making bread, pancakes, and thickening sauces. Pasta is a survival staple. It's easy to prepare and has a long shelf life. If you need a gluten-free option, quinoa is an excellent choice. Instant grits and mashed potatoes are quick, comforting options when time is short. Grains lay the foundation for a solid food supply, so stock up and keep your pantry ready for anything. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are survival pantry powerhouses, packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They're filling, affordable, and can last for years when stored correctly. Pinto beans are a great staple, perfect for soups, stews, and refried beans. Black beans are another favorite, excellent in tacos, salads, or chili. Navy beans work well for baked beans or casseroles, while kidney beans are a chili essential. Chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, are incredibly versatile. Use them for hummus, curries, or even roasted for a crunchy snack. Lima beans and black-eyed peas might not get much attention, but they're packed with nutrition and store well. Lentils are a standout because they cook quickly and don't require soaking, making them ideal for fast, hearty meals. Whether you're looking for a plant-based protein or just a long-lasting, nutritious food source, beans and legumes are a smart addition to your stockpile. Fats. Fats are essential for energy, satiety, and cooking, so don't overlook them when stockpiling survival food. Lard is a classic, reliable fat that's perfect for frying and baking. Peanut butter is a fantastic dual-purpose food. It's loaded with protein and fat and has a long shelf life. Shortening is another solid option, especially for baking. When it comes to oils, vegetable oil is a versatile choice, while olive oil adds depth and richness to meals. Coconut oil is a favorite for its long shelf life, high smoke point, and versatility. It's great for cooking, baking, and even skincare. Coconut milk is another excellent option, adding creaminess to soups and stews. Meats and other proteins. Protein is critical for maintaining strength and energy, especially in survival scenarios. Canned meats are an easy, shelf-stable way to ensure you're getting enough protein. Canned salmon and tuna are excellent choices. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids and can be used in salads, sandwiches, or casseroles. Sardines are another nutrient-dense option that requires no preparation. Spam may have a bad reputation, but it's beloved by preppers for its long shelf life and versatility. Canned chicken is surprisingly useful for soups, casseroles, and tacos. Vienna sausages offer a quick protein boost, while textured vegetable protein is a great meat alternative for vegetarians. Imitation bacon bits and dry-cured bacon can add flavor and protein to dishes without needing refrigeration. While canned meats might not be gourmet, they're reliable, long-lasting, and can be turned into tasty meals with a little creativity. Spices. Don't underestimate the power of spices. Bland food can be a morale killer, especially in a survival situation. Salt is the most crucial spice, essential for both seasoning and food preservation. Granulated sugar and honey are also must-haves. Honey, in particular, lasts indefinitely and can be revived if it crystallizes. Vinegar, especially white vinegar, is incredibly useful for cooking, cleaning, and preserving. Soy sauce brings umami to meals, while black peppercorns add spice and depth. Other key spices include cinnamon, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning, which can make simple ingredients much more flavorful. Garam masala, chili powder, and cumin are excellent for adding warmth and complexity to beans, rice, and stews. Ginger, whether powdered or crystallized, can provide a punch of flavor and even medicinal benefits. Whole spices last longer and can be ground fresh for better flavor. Keeping a variety of spices in your stockpile will make survival meals far more enjoyable. Baking. Even if you don't bake often, having baking supplies on hand is a smart move for any prepper. Imitation pancake syrup lasts for years, while corn syrup has an almost indefinite shelf life. Powdered milk is an essential ingredient for baking and making creamy dishes. Baking soda and baking powder are crucial leavening agents for bread and cakes. Cocoa powder is not just for desserts, it can also be used in hot drinks and sauces. Cornstarch is great for thickening soups, stews, and gravies. Yeast is a must-have if you plan on making fresh bread. Pure vanilla extract adds a touch of flavor to baked goods and beverages. Powdered sugar is perfect for frostings and sweetening drinks, while Jell-O mix can add variety to your meals. Baking supplies aren't just for sweets. They allow you to make bread, comfort foods, and hearty meals when fresh ingredients are scarce. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are vital for nutrition and balance in a survival diet. Canned fruits and vegetables are a no-brainer. They're convenient, last a long time, and provide essential vitamins and minerals. Raisins and other dried fruits are excellent for snacking or adding natural sweetness to meals. High-acid canned foods like tomatoes don't last as long, about 18 months, but they're incredibly useful for making sauces, stews, and chili. Canned green beans, corn, and peas make great side dishes or additions to casseroles. Freeze-dried or dehydrated options are also worth considering since they're lightweight and perfect for long-term storage. Having a good supply of preserved fruits and vegetables ensures you're getting the necessary nutrients, even when fresh produce isn't available. They help keep meals balanced, flavorful, and nutritious, which is especially important in survival situations. Drinks. While water is the #1 priority, having a variety of drinks can improve morale and provide extra nutrients. Instant coffee is a must for caffeine lovers. It's lightweight and easy to prepare. Drink mixes like Kool-Aid or powdered Gatorade add flavor and electrolytes to your water, helping to keep you hydrated. Herbal teas are another great option. They're soothing, caffeine-free, and can have medicinal benefits. Powdered milk is a versatile addition, useful for coffee, tea, or making creamy drinks. Drinks might seem like a minor detail, but having options beyond plain water can go a long way in maintaining morale and ensuring you stay properly hydrated. And that's it, your ultimate guide to the best survival foods for preppers. From grains and beans to fats, proteins, and spices, these are the essentials you need to stockpile today. Remember, preparation is key, and having the right foods on hand can make all the difference when disaster strikes. Now, we want to hear from you. What's the one food you can't live without in your survival pantry? And what's the most creative meal you've made with canned or dried ingredients? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips. Thanks for watching, and stay prepared.